In this tutorial, let's learn how to plot the chart here using the Matplotlib library from Python. First, let's import the three most common libraries for data science: the NumPy as NP, the Pandas as PD, and the Matplotlib library pyplot as PLT. The first line here controls the range of the axis, that is from 0 to 4. See here in the graphic, 0 to 4, the x. And here 0 to 12, this is the y, 0 to 12. The second line, title, quadratic, here is the title, quadratic. And in the third line, the plot, this is the x, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the square, 0, 1, 4, 9. For example, 2 and 4, it's this dot here. And see that the dot is red, and is a circle. The red is this R here, and this circle O is the shape of the dot. The fourth line, this is horizontal line. The Y, it's 9, and it goes to 0 to 3. Y9 is this blue here, Y9 from 0 to 3. And it's blue because the color here is blue. And the line style, solid. This is a solid line. For this V is vertical line. This X is 3, and you see here the 3. X3. From 0 to 9, this is the range that Y varies, 0 to 9. It's green, and the line style here is dashed. You see here that's a dashed line, green. Well, in the X label is X values, it's here, X values. And in the Y label, Y values, it's here, Y values. If you want to put a text, for example, text here, I put the coordinates 2 and 4, and this is the text 2 and 4. It's here, 2 and 4. If you want to put the legend, it's here, first series, and it show up here, first series. If you want to put this additional text, y equal x squared, this is how you put. First is the coordinates, 0.5 and 6, because this is 0.5, and 6, it's here. These are to write as latex. The dollar symbol is the latex, y equal x hat 2. This is the latex language. Font size 25, control the size of the font size. And the box, this box yellow here is a face color, yellow. And the alpha, control how dark or less dark is the yellow.